The cell phone waterproof silicone sealing ring mold parts have 16 evenly distributed holes, each with a minimal feature groove weight of only 0.22 mm, requiring the use of a small tool with an R0.1 mm radius for machining. The dimensional tolerance requirement is within 5 microns, and the relative positional deviation of each hole is controlled within 2.5 microns. To ensure machining accuracy, the Precision Tab Jingdiao 5-axis high-speed machining center GRA200 can stably achieve continuous machining with a small tool radius of R0.1 mm for more than 10 hours. Jingdiao can precisely fulfill the dimensional accuracy of cell phone waterproof silicone sealing ring mold parts within 5 microns to meet customers' demands. Next, let's take a look at how the GRA200 achieves precise machining of the waterproof silicone sealing ring mold parts for the cell phones.